CommonLit is another great free source of text that you can use with your students. It's run by a nonprofit. It'll be free forever. And I'm going to go through and show you. We're going to start off by going to their library. And the way that, so they've got it's a whole collection of really great text that fits with a wide range of things. One thing that's really nice is this ability to be able to go through and sort. So I'm going to start off by going at themes. So I want comedy and tragedy, and grades. We're going to go 7th and 8th grade. So now it's going to show us all the text that we've got that's going to fit within that. I'm going to go with this one of the nose. It sounds pretty funny. Already says in this absurd comedy. All right, and so then here is the text that we're going to be able to use. It's got a lot of different options. So you can change like then the letter sizing. It has paired text, related media, teacher guide, parent guide. And over here, they have the Common Core aligned questions that you can ask students, and then also discussion questions. And these are going to be the great things for DocentEDU. So I'm going to go ahead and load in the extension. And so as that's loading in, I'm going to show you a couple of other things that they've got in here, such as these little tiny notes for students that they've already added in, which is something that people do with DocentEDU. CommonLit's already gone ahead and added some of these things in using their tool of explaining these things. And so, of course, now you're able to use the different tools in here. You can add them in wherever you want. So we can add in some of these questions. So we can add in a pre-reading question. So here they've got of the commissary's reception. So I'm going to find that. All right, so copy, paste that. All right, so the commissary's reception. So I'm actually going to paste in here maybe another paragraph after it. I'm just going to copy and paste this text. Copy, paste, and there we go. We've now embedded the question in there, so now students can answer it right there. And one of the things, right, so you can use all of your DocentEDU tools with this. It's really great. And when you're adding in text, you do want to add them in the text itself, the questions. You could add them down at the bottom if need be. And part of the reason is that if you add them in here, the way that they've got it formatted, this is designed to kind of scroll with the page. It doesn't work out really nice if you embed docent items in there. But one of the things that I thought was kind of fun when I was talking with somebody else earlier today, another teacher, about this, is that you can actually add docent elements into these items. So you can actually add in your own notes and your own videos into this. So frigid, cold. So if we want to add in an image of that, frigid. Good visual here. We'll go with the Jack Nicholson one. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy that image, head back over here, and boom, there we go. So now we've got a definition of what frigid means, and we've used DocentEDU to give our students a little image. And of course, you can put any other kind of things that you want into those notes. And the annotation tools work great. So this is a really great place to be able to have students use the annotation tools for their own active reading in there. So as they're going through and highlighting things and asking questions. So again, this is commonlit.org. Great, free, Common Core aligned text. I think I said it right before. It's commonlit.org. Go check it out. Send them emails about how much you love it. Follow them on Twitter. They're doing some great things.